Welcome to your YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TBC. Which of the following city was named the best city to live in India for the fifth consecutive year? Your right answer is Hyderabad. Option C. Major aerosol pollutant in jet plane emission is, your right answer is fluorocarbon. Option D. Covalent bonds are formed by the dash between two atoms. Your right answer is sharing of electrons. Option D. Earth belongs to which type of celestial body? Your right answer is planet. Option B. Dash can fix nitrogen from air on its own. Your right answer is legumes. Option B. Which of the following is basic in nature? Your right answer is sodium hydroxide, NaOH. Option D. Under which plan did the government introduce an agricultural strategy which gave rise to Green Revolution? Your right answer is fourth five-year plan. Option C. What is the scattering of light by a particle in its path called as? Your right answer is Tyndall effect. Option A. A setup having a large number of wind turbines working at a place to generate electrical energy on a large scale is called a. Your right answer is wind energy farm. Option D. Which city in Uttar Pradesh is famous for glass bangles industry? Your right answer is Firozabad. Option D. Which branch of zoology is closely related to the study of sociology of human race? Your right answer is anthropology. Option D. What is the chemical symbol for sulfur? Your right answer is S. Option D. The backbone, also known as, your right answer is spine. Option C. Protection of life and personal liberty comes under the article dash of the Indian Constitution. Your right answer is Article 21. Option A. Dendrimers are nano-sized, radially symmetric molecule used in, your right answer is health and pharmaceutical industry. Option B. Which of the following country has received the ICC Test Championship match for third consecutive year on April 1, 2019? Your right answer is India. Option B. Which of the following mobile app won the Digital India Award 2018 under Best Mobile App category? Your right answer is ePathshala. Option A. Find the odd one out from the given option. H, K, N, Z. Your right answer is K. Option B. Which of the following separation technique is applied for separation of sodium chloride from its solution in water? Your right answer is evaporation. Option D. What constitutes the major part of the human body? Your right answer is water. Option D. Which of the following describe how electrons are put into orbital in a particular order for filling? Your right answer is above principle. Option C. In human body cell contain, your right answer is 23 pair of chromosome. Option D. What is the chemical formula of plaster of Paris? Your right answer is CaSO4 half H2O. Option D. Which of these is not fought with bare palm? Your right answer is boxing. Option C. Non-metal are bad conductor of electricity except graphite. Option A. Which mirror is used in a solar furnace? Your right answer is concave mirror. Option A. The cell body of a neutron is called, your right answer is soma. Option D. If the potential difference across the end of a conductor is double, what happen to the current flowing through it? Your right answer is it get doubled. Option A. Sorry. In which of the following sports is the word libero used? Your right answer is volleyball. Option D. PbO2 plus 4HCl gives rise to PbCl2 plus 2H2O plus Cl2. The substance undergoing oxidation is, your right answer is hydrochloric acid HCl. Option C. The nucleus of an atom contain, your right answer is proton and neutron. Option D. Escherichia coli occur in, your right answer is intestine of man. Option A. How much negative charge does an electron possesses? Your right answer is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Option C. What is the minimum age required to be the president of India? Your right answer is 35 years. Option B. Where did the first battle of Panipat takes place? Your right answer is Haryana. Option A. In periodic table, valence electron are indicated by, your right answer is group of numbers. Option D. The white liquid that oozes out of wounds is called, your right answer is pooch. Option C. In which type of wave do the vibration move parallel to the direction of traveling of wave? Your right answer is longitudinal. Option C. In which of the following state of India is Sriharikota situated? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option B. The distance between the particle of matter is called the dash space. Your right answer is intermolecular space. Option A. The cathode ray experiment was done for the first time by, your right answer is J.J. Thomson. Option C. In which of the following media does sound travel the fastest at a particular temperature? Your right answer is iron. Option D. Where is the longest bone in human body? Your right answer is the thigh. Option D. How many prominent stars are present in the Ursa Major constellation? Your right answer is 7 stars. Option A. Which of the following has been designated by scientists as the thinnest substance in the world? Your right answer is graphene. Option A. Identify the product in the equation Na2CO3 plus 2HCl gives rise to, your right answer is 2NaCl plus CO2 plus H2O. Option D. Which part of the body will be under examination in ECG? Your right answer is heart. Option A. The area of the retina where the vision is highest is, your right answer is phobia. Option C. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day.